Hi everybody, this is Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about everything that is yarn and crochet related. So today I'm going to tell you about some good deals on some yarn. Very, very good deals. First off, I do have a tutorial for this hat. Today is 1/5/2023, and I did put this tutorial on yesterday, and it has a matching scarf to go with it as well. I'll put a link to that below, and I do have a tutorial for this beautiful poncho. It's very long, very pretty. My orange shirt does not match. That's okay though. I just put this on for the video. And I'll put a link to the tutorial for this, and I also have a shawl that matches this poncho as well. I'll put a link to that. Okay, so JoAnns is having this killer sale, yarn sale going on right now. Yarnormous yarn sale, I think is what they're calling it, or something. And I think it's going on till the 11th. Today's the 5th. I think it's going on till the 11th. So I was able to score some good deals. So I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to tell you the original price. Plus I had an I found a coupon code for an extra 20% off of sale prices. Not doorbusters, but sale prices. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first off, I got some Red Heart Super Saver. They had like almost all their yarn was on. Like a lot of it was on sale, but I didn't get a lot of different varieties because I don't need it. But I did get some. So I got some Red Heart Super Saver in the color Retro Stripes because my Walmart never has this color, and it was a good deal. I think it's beautiful. Now, if you're not familiar with the Super Saver Stripes, it is a 100% acrylic, 236 yards, medium weight, number 4. Look at that pretty one. I always like this one. So pretty. So this is on sale at JoAnns for $3.37 a ball, which is a good deal on its own. It is a good deal. That is maybe about what Walmart charges, maybe a little bit less, but I do have a code that I will give you for an additional 20% off, which makes it 67 cents off for a total of $2.70 a ball is what I pay for this. And that goes for all their Red Heart yarn is on sale. I think most of it that I've seen was on sale for that price. With the additional 20% off code that I'm going to give you, makes it $2.70 a ball. You can't really beat that. That's a good deal. So I got that one. And then I got this Red Heart. This is their brushed. It's like brushed out. You can actually do it yourself with a like a dog brush. But this takes the work out of having to do it. It makes like a little halo on your project. So this was also the same price, $3.37, and with the additional 20% off, I got it for $2.70 a ball. So the brushed is the color. This one is called Soft Brick. It's very pretty. See how it's got that little halo. Feels nice. Smells like a cardboard box from JoAnns. There's 253 yards or 231 meters, 5 ounces, 141 grams. And it is a medium weight, probably. I'm assuming 100% acrylic. Where is it? Where is it? Made in Turkey. Yeah, 100% acrylic. So I got that one. Exciting. And then I got some Scarfy yarn. I love Scarfy yarn a lot. Sometimes it can be a bit pricey, and my Walmart quit selling Scarfy. For some reason, they used to, but they quit selling it. This is my favorite color of all the Scarfies. I have lots of tutorials using Scarfy yarn. You should check it out. I have a playlist, and it'd be called my bulky 5-weight playlist, and you'll see tutorials made with Scarfy yarn out of it. Isn't that one beautiful? This one reminds me of my Bloodhound Clark. These are the same colors that he is, exactly. He's got this brown, and then he's got a black coat on. Anyways, so if you're not familiar, the Iron Umber is the color. My absolute favorite. It's so pretty. And it smells like a cardboard box. It doesn't smell much better than a cardboard box. I mean, that's about the best smell you can get from yarn, isn't it? I'm just kidding. It smells fine. It's 5.3 ounces, 150 grams. There's 312 yards or 285 meters. And they classify this as a bulky weight number 5. It is a bit thin if you've never used Scarfy for a bulky weight 5. But I absolutely love Scarfy a lot. It's 78 acrylic and 22% wool. So Scarfy can sometimes be a little bit expensive, but they had it on sale for $8.24 a ball, which isn't bad, you know. But with the additional 20% off coupon code that I will leave in the comment section, it made it $6.59 a ball, which in today's market is a good deal. But I do remember when I thought the regular price was that, and I thought it was expensive. But now I think that's a good deal. Good deal. Isn't that beautiful? It just reminds me so much of my Bloodhound Clark. It looks just like him. Okay. Let's see. I don't want. Then I got some more Red Heart of Ombre. They had all their ombre colors. This had so much yarn on sale, but you know, like I said, I only got 2 other yarns after, 2 varieties, but different colors in them after this one. So the Red Heart Ombre, you guys might be pretty familiar with that. I got these 2 colors this time around. I think the teal is probably, well, I like the hickory, but it was sold out. It's probably my favorite, but I think the teal, this one's called Deep Teal, is probably my second favorite of the Red Heart Ombre, and I like the cocoa as well, of course, because I like brown. So I did get these 2 colors. If you're not familiar with the Red Heart Ombre, I think it's one of the best ombres that they have on the market as far as the way the colors transition. It makes up a beautiful, beautiful everything that it makes is very pretty. I like to use this for stitch tutorials and whatnot. So the color of this one is Deep Teal. It's very, very pretty. Let's read about it. It's a medium weight number 4, 100% acrylic. And the ombre is 10 ounces, 283 yards, 283 grams, 482 yards or 440 meters. So 482 yards of a medium weight number 4. I like it. I like it. Made in Turkey, I think. I think it is. It is. Okay, so the Red Heart Ombre on sale at JoAnns right now is $7.12. But with an additional 20% off, I got $1.42 off per ball, which made it $5.70 a ball. Now, you can't beat that. Not even Walmart can beat that. Walmart can't even beat the sale price right now of $7.12. But you get that extra 20% off coupon code. $5.70 a ball. So I did get enough of this one in case I wanted to make something big, and I also did get enough of the cocoa color in case I wanted to make something big. I'll check back before the 11th is over and see if they get that hickory color in, because that one is absolutely my favorite of all of the ombres. But I'm happy with these 2 that I got. So what a killer deal, huh? Yes, $5.70. Wow. Okay, and then I got this, which I like, and I want to make a blanket out of it. Now this is the Bernat Symphony yarn. Isn't that beautiful? Now it is a roving style yarn, and look at that cable blanket that they have on the front there. It's in the same color that I have. Now I don't know if I would use this for a cable blanket. I think the cables get a little bit lost in the yarn, but it's still a very pretty blanket that they have there. But I did buy enough of this to make something bigger if I decided to. Oh, it's so pretty. That cardboard just smells so good. It's classified as a bulky number 5, and it's a nice 5 weight. I think it's fine. 80 acrylic, 20 wool. 7.9 ounces, 225 grams, 309 yards or 282 meters. So about 300 yards. Bernat Symphony. Feels good and I like it. And I think maybe this might become a blanket. Not, you know, but I don't know when. Made in India. That's pretty. The color I have here is called Pomegranate Punch. They have a lot of pretty colors, but I think I went with the red. I always like a good red. Plus it's got a little bit of brown in it. So So the Symphony on sale is $7.99. But with the 20% off coupon code, I was able to get an extra $1.60 off of that, which made it $6.39. What a deal for the Bernat Symphony. Beautiful. All right, so I got one more yarn to show you that I thought was an excellent, excellent killer deal. This is the Caron Ombre. It's their Jumbo Ombre. Now, I like the Caron Ombre. I do. I would have to say that I like the Super Saver better. But the Caron is softer. How about that? I like both of them, though. They both, this one, just ombre is a little bit different. But it's still very, very pretty yarn. And the deal that I got, you really can't beat it. Because this stuff's like $11.99 or $12.99 a ball regular. So, this is it. Caron Jumbo Ombre. It's 12 ounces, 340 grams, 595 yards, or 544 meters, 100% acrylic. So almost 600 yards here of a medium weight number 4. And that's kind of what ombre's out to. I always wondered why a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them have like a white stripe to them. I always wondered what the deal with that was, but it's still pretty. Anyways. The color of this one is called White Water. That is very pretty. It's got blues and bluish green colors, and then you got that white stripe. I love that one. Very pretty. Feels good. So the on sale right now it's $7.99, which is an extremely good deal as it is. But with the coupon code, I got an additional 20% off, which made them $6.39 a ball for almost 600 yards of ombre. Feels good too. Feels good. That's a deal. That is a deal. So I got this color, $6.39 a ball. Can you believe that? I can't. And then I got this color here, which is called Carrara Marble. Carrara Marble. Hope I said that right. Now it's a very pastel pinks, grays, and creams. Didn't get it match my room quite well in here. If I had to throw it out of it. That one's very pretty. Let me look on here. Yeah, that's very pretty. I like that one. So again, with the additional 20% off coupon code that I'm going to give you, $6.39 a ball for almost 600 yards. I like that one a lot. It's got a lot more pink than what's showing up on camera, I think. It's just very pale. Pink and cream. And then I got this one. Look at this beauty. Ooh. Lake Mist. Ooh. That's pretty. Look at that one. That's greens and blues. Different colors of greens and blues. That one is pretty. I'm curious to see that one worked up. That is a very good deal for these Caron Ombres. Actually, it's a good deal for all this yarn, I have to say. As long as you use that additional 20% off coupon. But it's still a pretty good deal regardless. That's beautiful. Love it. Then I got this one, which is called Sepia. Probably didn't say that right, but it's pretty. So we got browns, and then some light pinks, and then you got that white stripe in there. Can you see that? That's pretty. I like that one a lot. Again, $6.39 a ball for 600 yards. You can't beat that, really. And then I got one more color of this, and this one I've never seen before ever, and it's so much prettier in person than it was. You couldn't really tell on the website, and I saw this in the box, and I'm like, wow, that is so pretty. This one is called Sunset. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I consider this an ombre. I kind of consider it more of a gradient, but gradient, ombre, whatever you think. Isn't that beautiful? So you got a little bit of oranges to yellows to browns to pinks, you know, kind of like a sunset. I think that one is gorgeous. I can't wait to see that one worked up. Gosh, so pretty. I think that pink really adds to it that they threw in there, to the sunset appeal, the name of it anyways. So at $6.39, you can't beat it, because like I said, for 600 yards, these things are usually like 12 or 13 bucks a ball, I think. So that is what I got from JoAnns sale. Now remember, they're having a enormous yarn sale right now. I think that runs through the 11th, so make sure you hit them up. Now I'm going to give you the coupon code, and I'm also going to put a picture of it on the screen. And I'm going to tell you just a few things before I go. Now, with this coupon code, it's going to take 20% off, but you do have to spend $100 to get free shipping. Otherwise, the shipping is $11.95. Or, I'm sorry, you have to spend $100, and then your shipping is $1.95. If you spend under $100, it'll still take the 20% off, but you'll have to pay $11.99 shipping, which I still don't think is bad, because shipping is really outrageous. So the coupon code, you ready? Now all the letters are going to be caps, and I'll also put this in the comment section and in the description box. The very first comment will be from me, and it'll be this coupon code: RHFS324. I'll say it again: RHFS324. That will take 20% off, and if you spend sell items and regular price items, and if you spend over $100, it'll make your shipping $1.99. Now I'll put a screenshot in there right here. Now if you've seen that screenshot, you can see that it took the 20% off of my items. And then it had a $11.95 for shipping, but then it took a $10 discount off. So it made it $1.99 because I had spent over $100. I didn't even buy that. That was just an example. So yes, and if anybody else knows any other coupon codes that are even better than that one, or if you know any other ones in general, please feel free to just comment underneath my comment and leave your coupon code there, because we always try to help each other out and get the best deals that we can. Now if you have a JoAnns haul, if you've gotten one, show me on my Facebook page. Come follow me. I'd love to look at yarn hauls. Show me what you got. Or if you're going to get one, you can always come. If you're not following me on Facebook, come over there and show me what you got during this enormous yarn sale. So I had a good time talking yarn with you. Remember to look in the comment section. The very first comment will be that coupon code. Anybody knows any more, feel free to leave them there so everybody can check them out. And like I mentioned, tutorial for this in the description box. Tutorial for this, it's a long one, in the description box. And I have a matching shawl too, and I'll put that in the description box. And that's it. Until next time, guys. Rob's always in the vid. Oh, that's not Rob. That's the pillow. I thought that pillow was Rob. It looked like him. Bye, guys.